Torquay's embrace where the ocean meets the sky. A peaceful haven found where dreams take flight and fly. With the sun on your skin and the waves rolling near, in this coastal town, leave behind your every fear. Where the surfers rise, chasing dawn's golden light. Waves kissed by the sun, such a magnificent sight. With boards underarm, they run to the shore. In the heart of Torquay, they find something more. Torquay, oh Torquay, where the wild winds blow. A place to call home, where the ocean flows. The salt in your hair and the stars in your eyes, in this land of dreams where the spirit flies. Away from the rat race where the city noise fades, find laughter in the fields where memories are made. In this tranquil retreat where the heart beats free, Torquay's gentle call whispers destiny. In the spring valley hills where the gum trees stand tall, the morning mist rises, a magical sprawl. With boards under armor on the sky so wide, in the arms of nature where dreams survive. Torquay, oh Torquay, where the wild winds blow. A place to call home, where the ocean flows. The salt in your hair and the stars in your eyes, in this land of dreams where the spirit flies. With first-class facilities and a welcoming smile, in Torquay the living is simply worthwhile. It's a blend of the rural and coastal divine, a place where your heart will forever entwine. Come find your place by the ocean's soft roar, in the embrace of Torquay, be nothing more. Let the waves be your lullaby, the stars be your guide. In this corner of heaven, where your dreams reside. Torquay, oh Torquay, where the wild winds blow. A place to call home, where the ocean flows.